So just a quick video about our front garden here. It's actually going to end up being a bit of a video about companion planting. As you can see, we got beans growing like crazy. It's getting late in the season. They're starting to get a little woodsy, but I mean, they're growing like crazy. There's all kinds of beans all over this thing. It's growing right up our front porch, which is fine. As you can see, the barbecue's right there, the front door's there. We can walk right out of the kitchen, cook right there. The stuff that's in here is all stuff we use frequently for cooking. So as you can see, like Swiss chard, you can see where we've taken some as we go. One thing about companion planting is you get this like just wall of green, and you really got to kind of dig sometimes later in the season to find things. Tomatoes make it easy because they go bright red, so you'll just kind of move some leaves and boom, there's going to be a whole bunch of red. And this one is actually the reason I wanted to do this video. That's my little chili plant, full of peppers all summer. They go nice and bright colored. But this thing was like a bouquet of these bright little peppers right up until the kale got bigger. Then it blocks the sun. There's nowhere near as many peppers. They're still producing, but nowhere near as many as there was earlier in the year. When it was hot and dry, the peppers were doing super. Now we're getting a little bit of rain. Everything else is just flourishing, growing like crazy. But it happens, and it's something to take into consideration when you are planting things, like just sizing and whatnot. That some plants will grow bigger than others and overshadow them, and then those ones that you were getting all kinds of production from might slow down later in the year. Down here we've also got cucumbers. There's one there, and radishes. Got a couple kinds of radishes growing. My Hascap berries didn't do much of anything this year. That's this bush here. There's one of them at either end. I think it takes a couple years for them to really get going though. But as I say, we've got this garden planted right between, like right off the deck, right between the kitchen and the dining tent. So when we're out here cooking or doing whatever, we can just pop off the deck, grab the stuff we want. And our full-size garden is just a couple steps that way.